Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very easy DIY home decor, and I tried to make this video as detailed as I can. So please don't skip the video, watch till the end, and no more further delay. Let's start. Here I have taken a pre-marked MDF base for two reasons. One is these are for beginners, and another reason is I didn't find any MDF which has this kind of petal structure edges till now. And I added all the links of the products I have used here in the description. Now I am using gesso, or you can use white acrylic paint as a primer. Now I am using Fevicryl molded clay, and watch it carefully that how I am mixing and using it. And one thing guys, please stick the big mirror before using molded clay. I didn't do that here because I was experimenting, so that you don't need to do any kind of experiment. And yeah, I struggle a lot to put the big mirror inside, and in the beginning of this video you have noticed that I was marking the actual size of the mirror, and thank God I do that, otherwise it may damage my artwork totally. Just have a closer look and don't put so much design on the top of the clay, otherwise it will look like what to say, khichdi type. Now time for the colors. I'm using here acrylic paints. And you know, this kind of artwork looks beautiful in everywhere, like in the living room or bedroom or study, and you don't have to worry about the color of the wall because it looks gorgeous on the light as well as dark color wall. I have shown everything on the last of this video, so please watch till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any update, you will get the notification. Now it's my favorite part. I'm using metallic wax here. Actually, I always wanted to give a vintage look of this artwork. Now I'm using here the mirrors. Again I am using here the metallic wax. Now it's varnishing time. Just have a closer look of my art. Now my artwork is finished. Just see how it looks. It looks beautiful, isn't it? If you like my video, please hit the like button. This will really motivates me to create more such detailed video. And just see, it looks beautiful on arched wall as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.